Lidia Zielińska, born 9 October 1953, is a Polish composer and music educator. Lidia Zielińska was born in Poznań, Poland. She graduated from the State Higher School of Music in Poznań in 1979 after studying composition under Andrzej Koszewski. She also studied composition and electronic music in Poland and at Musicultura in Breukelen, the Deutsch Symphonic Workshop in Paris, IRCAM courses in Kraków, and the Polish Society for Contemporary Music courses in Rydzyna and Wzdów. Zielińska took a position as Professor of Composition at the Poznań Academy of Music and worked as a violinist in the Poznań Philharmonic Orchestra and the Agnieszka Duczmal Chamber Orchestra. She also taught at the State Higher School of Visual Arts, Wrocław Academy of Music, and was a guest lecturer for summer courses in Poland, France, the Netherlands, Germany, Switzerland, Sweden, Belarus and Moldova. Zielińska received a number of prizes for her compositions in Poland, Yugoslavia, Germany, Switzerland and France. In 1993/94, she worked with the Euro Music Theatre project, and in 1994/95 was part of the Donau Ballet project. In 1995/96 she was the composer-in-residence at the Electronic Music Studio in Stockholm. She has also worked with the Eighth Day Theatre with Izabela Gustowska, Jan Berdyszak and Aleksandra Kordziło. From 1982 to 1992, Zielińska was artistic director of the Poznań Music Spring Festival. She has been a board member of the Polish Society for Contemporary Music, secretary of the Coordination Committee for Creative and Visual Arts Circles, a member of the Polish Composers Union, and a member of the Warsaw Autumn Repertoire Committee. She has been president of the House of World Rhythms Foundation and is co-founder of the Brevis Music Editions and Monochord Quarterly. Zielińska has composed for chamber ensembles, stage, orchestra, voice and solo instrument. She has also composed theatre and film music. Selected works include Heldenleben,